your WhatsApp leads into GoHighLevel contacts. So hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Now if you receive a lot of WhatsApp messages, you want that the new contact that you've have received on your WhatsApp should be created as a contact in your GoHighLevel account as well, then you are on the correct video, because I will show you the process that will automatically complete your work. If you don't believe me, let me show you how. So I use Pabbly Chatflow to easily manage the WhatsApp conversations in my business. So as soon as I receive the new message on WhatsApp by any of the customers, they are created automatically as a contact in my Pabbly Chatflow account, and then you will see that contact will be automatically created inside my GoHighLevel account as well. So in front of you, I will create a contact manually here because I don't know when I will receive the message of a new person. So I'm going to create this contact in front of all of you. So this is the phone number of this new lead that I have, and the name of this person is Test Demo 99. Okay, I will add this contact over here. As soon as now I have added this contact, you can see it's created Test Demo 99. It's added over here in my Pabbly Chatflow account. If I'll refresh the GoHighLevel page over here, the contacts page, you will see that contact is automatically synced inside my GoHighLevel account as well. So let it load first. You can see right over here a new contact is created. If I'll open the contact, this is the contact Test Demo 99. Test Demo 99. You can see over here, this is the phone number. It's a WhatsApp lead. So as now this contact has been added in my GoHighLevel account as well, this is how the setup is actually going to work. Now if you want to learn how you can create this setup without need of any technical coding and programming skills, so for that, stay tuned till the end of this video. So now I will be creating this automation using the best automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. If you want to access Pabbly Connect, on a new tab, search for pabbly.com/connect. You will come to their landing page. Now if you're logging in for the first time, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the 100 tasks, what you can do is you can test out this automation right away from your end, that how it's going to work, and then you can purchase Pabbly Connect's yearly or lifetime plans in order to automate other workflows as well. I've been using this software for a very long time and it's very easy to use. Okay, I have already logged in and I have created the template for this specific workflow. Now if you want the template that I am using, check out the workflow link added in the description section. It's free to use. Now my trigger is Pabbly Chatflow contact created. Now first of all, let me clear that I am creating the contacts manually, but with Pabbly Chatflow, what happens is that whenever even a new WhatsApp lead sends an inquiry from their end, the lead sends or the client sends the inquiry, their contact is automatically created inside Pabbly Chatflow. As soon as a new contact is sending the message, their contact will be saved inside Pabbly Chatflow, and that detail will also be forwarded towards this workflow that we are creating right now. Okay, so just by the thing that I am creating the contact manually, don't worry, even if the contact is created automatically in your Pabbly Chatflow system, it will be captured over here in the workflow and it will be created as a record in GoHighLevel. Okay, so don't worry about that. Now, my trigger is Pabbly Chatflow contact created. I manage the WhatsApp conversations in my business using Pabbly Chatflow. That is why I'm using this as my trigger application. Now, if you want to learn what is Pabbly Chatflow, how it is going to be useful for your business, what are the features and how all the features work, check out all the Pabbly Chatflow videos we have created. We have also created a playlist for you, so you can check out that playlist on our channel. Okay. Now, in my Pabbly Chatflow account, we are going to create the connection. Now, to create the connection, you will receive this webhook URL that you need to copy from here. Recapture the response over here after that. Copy it, open your Pabbly Chatflow account, go to settings option and go to API and webhook section. After coming to this section, click on this add webhook button, and first we are going to name the webhook. For the name of the webhook over here, I'll give it as new contact. Okay, webhook, paste the webhook URL, event will be contact created, so that as soon as a new contact will be created in our Pabbly Chatflow account, towards this webhook URL, the response will be forwarded. I will add this webhook from here. You can see the new contact created webhook has been added successfully inside my account. Now go back, you will see over here, you will receive the status as success, and as you will receive success, that means the webhook URL is added. I want to capture the response of the new contact created, so I'll recapture the response, and now let's create the contact together inside our Pabbly Chatflow account. For that, simply add the contact from here. The country is India, so I'm going to search for India and select it. This is the code, and this is the phone number right over here. Okay, now after that, it is asking for the status, which will be opt-in, and for the name of this person, I'll write it as best sample. Okay, so this is the full name of the contact. I will add the contact from here. As soon as now I've done that, you can see best sample is added inside my Pabbly Chatflow, and within few seconds of the new contact been created in your account, you will see the response of the same contact will be captured. It says the new contact has been created successfully in the name of best sample with this phone number. So as now this contact has been created successfully, Pabbly Chatflow is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now let's add this person from WhatsApp into our GoHighLevel account. Inside inside Pabbly Connect, we call GoHighLevel as lead connector v2. Create contact is going to be the event. Click on this connect option, go to this add new connection section and click on this connect with lead connector v2 button. Now it is going to ask for the permission of the account to create the connection. So follow the steps that I'm going to tell you right now. Scroll down till the end and give the access over here with this button next, and then simply select your account from here that you want to create the in which you want to create the contacts. So I'll select the account, and as soon as you will do that, the permission will be given and the connection will be created. Now I'm going to enter the full name of this contact right here. For the data of this field, I will map the data. Mapping is the process from where you can enter the data from the previous step. Add a slash previous step is going to appear, and in the previous step you have received the name of this contact that you want to create. So select the data of the name from the previous response. Now this data is mapped. As now this data is mapped, it's dynamic. In simple word, it means whenever the contact's response will be captured in the previous step, the full name will be automatically updated with the new response. Okay, it is asking for the email address. I didn't capture that response in the trigger, so I'll skip all the part. I'm going to map the data of the phone number that I've received over here in the step right here. So let me do that, and I'm going to add a plus sign in front as well. Okay, it is asking for all the other details which I do not want, so I'll skip the part. For the source, I'll write over here as WhatsApp lead, and then scroll down. It is asking for all the other details which I do not want, so I'm going to simply skip the part and simply then click on this save and send test request button, where I've received the response with the contact ID. That's a positive response, and if I'll refresh the contacts page again in front of all of you, you will see a new contact in the name of best sample is going to be created. So let this page be loaded first, and then I'll show you the new contact that has been added inside my GoHighLevel account. Okay, so it is loaded and you can see a new contact is added in my GoHighLevel account in the name of best sample, and over here you can see this is the phone number and the source is WhatsApp lead, contact type is lead. So as now the contact is created successfully, this is how you build the connection between WhatsApp and GoHighLevel to update your WhatsApp leads as contacts in GoHighLevel account. So now if you have any questions or doubts related to this setup, to comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.